How to pay your MocaMoca loans with Peso using GCash. Open your MocaMoca app and check how much you need to pay. It says here that Peso is our biller's name. Buksan mo ang iyong GCash account. I-click mo lang ang pay bills dito. Click loans. Let's search for Peso. Click Peso. Go back to GCash and type the loan amount here. Please remember that a service charge of 10 pesos will be deducted from your GCash balance. Go back to MocaMoca app and click here to copy your payment number and use this on GCash. After copying our payment number, go back to GCash. Enter the payment number that we copied from the MocaMoca app. Type your email here so that you can receive the receipt of your payment later. Click this box to use GInsure to protect your payment. There is an additional charge to use GInsure. If this is okay with you, click the next button. Click Yes, Get Bill Protect. On this page, you can double-check the details you have entered. Make sure all the information here is correct. Click the Confirm button. GCash will now send your payment to MocaMoca. And that's how you pay MocaMoca loans using GCash. Till next time, thanks for watching!